Ooh, I'm having like doubts. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another one of my videos. Thank you so much for clicking. Today I'm gonna bring you this halo eye again, because I did a halo eye like for my last makeup video. But you know, it's just a halo eye season. Don't mind the rough head top. She's so cute. If you disagree, you can click out. Anyway, before you continue watching, be sure to just click that subscribe button down below. Be sure to like the video and to comment on the video, share the video, and yeah, let's get into it. Enjoy. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Juvia's Place Zuzu palette. I'm taking this brown orangey shade. I'm just gonna buff that all over mostly all over my eye area. Okay, so I have that blended onto my eyes. If I look super like tired, because I am, it's like, okay, I'm not gonna say it's like, oh, it's like 6 o'clock in the morning right now, because it's not, but it's early, you know, your girl just kind of woke up and didn't go to bed early. So yeah, but this has to get done. So I'm here, but don't worry, we'll look awake by the end of this video. So now I'm gonna go in with the Butter London palette. This palette is so pretty, and I use a couple colors, you know, here and there, but I would love to create like a whole look with the palette itself, because I just love the tones and the colors. And I'm just gonna take this brown shade right here, and we're just going to deepen up things a bit. This look, by the way, I did not mention it at all. This was actually inspired by the new Urban Decay foundation, or I don't know if it's a tinted moisturizer or what. Their packaging, I just love it. I just saw the packaging and I instantly just got inspired to do a look replicating the looks of the packaging. So we're going to do blues, we're going to do browns, we're going to do golds. Maybe I'll pop up a picture of what my inspiration is so you can get where I'm coming from. Well, we are blended out. We got the brown on our eyes. I also went back with the Juvia's Place palette with that same shade to kind of buff it out more. And now I'm just gonna take my Urban Decay Electric palette. I love this palette. This palette go way, 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 way back. Like, way back. It's crazy because I haven't hit pan in any of the colors, but I'm gonna take this blue shade right here, because that's what the packaging looks like for the most part, and that is called Gonzo. Actually, before I do that, I gotta cut this crease situation. So for that, I'm just gonna take my Juvia's Place concealer. This is in the color 17. Placing some of that on the back of my hand, and I'm just gonna cut the middle of my crease real quick. I mean, real quick. Even though it takes like 30 minutes later. Boom. There we go. That actually was pretty quick. Pretty quick. That was like under 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other side. Kind of perfect it a bit, and I will be right back. My crease is cut. That was actually faster than I thought. I didn't have no faith. Shame on me. Taking Gonzo. She's intense. And literally packing that down. We like the good blue. Oof, yes, honey. Oof. It's like it's glowing. It's just so vibrant. This is why I love this palette. This is why this is you know, my ride. Okay, so I'm back. I have the blue on. We're looking crazy right now. Got some doubts, but she'll come together. There's also gold incorporated into the packaging. I'm just gonna incorporate some gold glitter. This is the NYX glitter liner. And I'm just going to line up that, like right above that blue. Ooh, I'm having my doubts with this look. I'm gonna do a liner, but I'm not gonna wing it. I'm just gonna end it right at the very end of my eye, and I might even like slightly blend it into the rest of the shadow. For my liner, I'm taking the One Size, the Patrick Star liner, and I'm just gonna use that. I should've told you. I should've told you. Okay, so I put on some liner, I threw on the lash. So now we're gonna move on to our face. Not gonna lie, so far I'm like, about this look. But I just have to see the complete, you know, package. Like I always say, don't judge the process, judge the result, but I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so as my base or as my primer, I'm going to be taking the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. Honestly, just taking it to take it. I don't really care to find a primer right now, but for the purpose of the video, and this smells really good. For my foundation choices, I'm going to take the NARS Natural Radiance, as you always know, and the Smashbox Halo Tinted Moisturizer. This is in the color Deep. The focus, okay, in the color Deep, and NARS, don't mind the lid. NARS in the color Toho. I'll make it so easy for you. I put the NARS on, and now I'm going to take my Halo Deep Foundation and just put that on top to slightly bring her down. But I also, in the middle of me doing my foundation, because I'm like, I don't know, my eyes just, they aren't like translating the way I want them to, if you notice a difference. I did put a shimmer on instead, opposed to it being a matte blue. So I put a shimmer on top, like real quick, and I took that shimmer from the Norvina palette. This is the Mini Pro palette in the volume 3. And there's a shimmery, nice blue shade in here. And I popped that on top, and I think I'm feeling her a little bit more better. I still need to see the results, but you know, I feel better about this. So I just randomly did that in between me laying on my foundation. And now I'm just taking the Smashbox Tinted Moisturizer and just put a little tint on top. Call me, meet me if you wanna reach me. If you wanna reach me, it's okay. Yeah, need me, baby. If you wanna reach me, doesn't matter when, doesn't matter. I'll leave it into the very end. Take you, I'm sure about I'm dead, I'm dead, so stitch. Come in, baby, if you wanna reach me. If you wanna reach me, it's okay. Okay, I've been singing that song all weekend. For concealer, I'm gonna go with the Hourglass Vanish. I'm gonna go with the Hourglass Vanish Concealer, and this is in the color Flax. And I'm just taking her underneath. It's actually a little bit more than I would do. Blend her out with my damp beauty blender. I might add another color, another concealer that's a little bit brighter. Yeah, I'm starting to try to get into the habit again of using a beauty blender to blend out my concealer. At the end of the day, I love my brush. My brush is my ride or die. You know, it's a real one right there, but it's just time for a change, you know? Just time to bring the beauty blender back And it's honestly, I'm not gonna lie, easier to get right underneath with the beauty blender. I mean, there are certain brushes that are tapered where you can do that. But yeah, I'm just bringing her back for now, okay? She's not staying, but she's visiting. That's on, that's blended, but you see how it's kind of, in my opinion, it's slightly brighter, but it's not like a huge difference. So I'm gonna take the MAC 24 Hour Studio Fix Concealer. This is in the color NC44. I'm just gonna add a little bit of that. Even me putting that on, I feel like it's not that brighter. So let's see if this is brighter. Oh yeah, this is brighter. So this is the Tarte Creaseless Concealer. This actually is a little bit brighter. This is in the color 10 Deep Sand, which is 45S. That's what I put on top. So much for this using the MAC. Oh my gosh, see, I went back to the brush. What am I doing? Go back to the beauty blender. I'm just really going to focus that more so like right underneath in the corner. And now I'm gonna take Laura Mercier Honey on my beauty blender, and we gonna pack her in like so. Now we're gonna add some depth to our face. I used this the other day to contour my face, and I really liked it. Just put it in the back of my hand. This is the NYX Full Coverage Concealer. This is in the color Deep Golden. That's how she looks. It's literally just like a pot concealer. It just has like such a nice, rich warmth to it. It's so natural, see? Now kind of deepen things a bit more and to also set that contour, I'm gonna be taking this, I was gonna say NYX. I'm gonna be taking the MAC Studio Fix pressed powder. This is in the color NW55. That's how she's looking. That's how it looks against my skin. And I feel like I made my foundation a little bit too dark, but it's looking really orange here. Can't tell on camera, but I'm really just going to use this to bring the contour more forward, or technically more in. Technically speaking, but you know what I mean. You know. I'm gonna actually take some powder because I want it to be a little bit more sharper right there. I'm gonna take my Trio Blush Palette by Lamar Cosmetics and warm up them cheeks. I'm just gonna spray my face real quick with this Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Aqua Illuminate Visol Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. Radiant Dew, that was way too long of a name. There's just too much words on the front of that thing. This is how she looks like. Don't know the company. I got this in my BoxyCharm a while ago. I'm not really in love with the spray, but I just need to get my face wet right now. And my other spray, I don't know where it is. So what she's gonna have to do, I'm just gonna spray my face. Oof, my gosh, so aggressive. And then take the Makeup by Mario Crystal Master Crystal Reflector. This is in the color Citron. That's how she looks like. I did use this in my past videos. Yes, I'm taking this big ass fluffy brush because we can make her work. And I'm just gonna highlight her. That is on, and then to even intensify it more, I got a fancy Trophy Wife. If you know Trophy Wife is intense. I'm using a little bit of this, but just look, can you just, like, what? Packaging, the gold, beautiful. I just got this, swatched it on my arm, and it was just like, whoa. she's gold, like she's true. I'm taking a smaller brush. I'm not even shaking out any product. I'm just literally using whatever residue is there, probably from when I swatched it. I'm just gonna add that very, very lightly on top. Oh my god, I see it. Ooh, it's so yellow. Oh my gosh, okay. It's okay. It's okay. This is gonna be a dramatic makeup look, I guess. Let me see it. Maybe you can't see it as well as I can, but she is there. Highlighter is on. Can't see too much of it. Maybe I should bring it down. No. I think bring it up. So for lips, I'm taking my Sephora lip pencil in the color Molasses. Line that up. For my lip color, I'm gonna be taking two colors, mainly the NYX Lip Tease. This is in the color Undercover Babe. And I'm gonna be taking the Tarte's lip paint. This is in the color OG. But I'm mainly gonna be taking the NYX. Clocking her on. Look at that, instant color. Okay, just to deepen it a bit, I'm gonna take the Tarte lip paint. It's not gonna make a huge difference because they're quite similar shades, but Tarte's a little bit darker, more purple. Just adding our lip liner. And I don't know what the hell I'm doing to my hair. You might even see me with the scarf on still. I don't know, but I'll be right back with the complete final look. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Like I said, I had no idea what I was going to do with my hair. It didn't really do anything. I right now have it in this protective style, so I just have my hair in a bunch of twists. And your girl's walking on the streets looking hella rough, but honest, oh my gosh, yeah, like what is peeking out here? I don't know, like part of me just doesn't care. Like I just wanted to put my hair in a protective style. And honestly, I don't think it's that bad. So if you don't like it and you think I look like a bum, then I overall hope that you do. I overall hope that you did enjoy this video, me getting this look. I like it more now. I'm not gonna, you know what? No, it's fire. It's fire. It came along. I'm so happy I did a metallic or a shimmer instead of just keeping it matte because it was just running flat to me. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and comment down below, like this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.